Are you looking for the who makes the best Japanese tool brands? Here we will break down the top 7 who makes the best Japanese tool brands on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Stanley Mechanics Tools Kit Home Tool Kit, 65 piece, 94 to 248. Stanley is one of America's oldest hand tools brands, with a history that stretches all the way back to 1843. Though it has officially been a part of the merged Stanley Black & Decker since 2010, this brand retails much of its previous acclaim in the marketplace. To be specific, Stanley is well known for making almost every type of hand tool imaginable. Levels, wrecking bars, hammers, screwdrivers, cutting tools, you name it, and there's a good chance that Stanley makes it. In fact, when it comes to certain mainstay tools in today's toolboxes, Stanley was the first to introduce them into the market. This was certainly true for the locking tape measure, which remains one of the brand's most popular products. Stanley, as a brand, hasn't rested on their laurels, either. They continue to lead the hand tool market's trend towards introducing more digital equipment. This can be seen in their digital leveling systems, which are exceptionally accurate and reliable. They've also innovated in minute ways as well, such as packing extra durability into their carbide blades. At number 2. CRAFTSMAN Home Toolkit Mechanics Tools Kit, 102 piece, CMMT 99448. CRAFTSMAN may be one of the best-known hand tool brands in the US, not least because they spent decades dominating the market through their primary sales channel. To be specific, CRAFTSMAN started as an in-house brand for Sears, making them exceptionally accessible and competitive during the mega retailer's heyday. That being said, CRAFTSMAN's popularity waned with the fortunes of Sears. In fact, the brand itself was sold off to Stanley Black & Decker in 2017. The same can be said of their product's quality, which has fluctuated often due to the manner in which Sears contracted out the manufacturing of the tools. At times, they were functionally identical to hand tools made for New Britain, Stanley, and Western Forge. As a result, despite all of these variations, the CRAFTSMAN brand remains a mainstay in the modern hand tool market. In particular, CRAFTSMAN's numerous toolsets are popular for their affordability, size, and versatility. These sets include everything from wrenches and screwdrivers to drill bits and ratchets. At number 3. DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set, 142 piece, DWMT 73802. In recent years, DEWALT has become better known for its versatile lines of power tools. Even so, they continue to remain a visible part of the hand tool market, thanks to the widespread availability and affordability of their tools. Within its broad catalog of available hand tools, DEWALT's ratchets, wrenches, hex keys, and mechanics toolsets are among their best reviewed products. The DEWALT brand dates back almost 100 years to Raymond E. DEWALT, who invented the first ever radial arm saw. The brand grew its name on the fame of these saws over the decades until the 1990s, when they took a turn towards hand and power tools. This included the release of the Contractor's Toolset in 2011 that included pliers, saws, hammers, and more. Today, the DEWALT brand is a subsidiary of Stanley Black & Decker. Many of their hand tools are labeled as being made in the USA, though these tools utilize parts that are made overseas. DEWALT also enjoys exceptional brand recognition, thanks in large part to its availability in both retail and online stores. At number 4. Electrician Hand Tool Set 28 piece, pliers, screwdrivers, nut drivers, wrenches, more Klein Tools 80028. Klein Tools is another long-standing American tool brand with roots back in 1857, when founder and namesake Matthias Klein started creating tools for linemen. Throughout the rise of telecommunications in the US, the Klein brand grew due to its reputation for creating reliable lineman tools. Though the brand now makes other hand tools including hex wrenches, screwdrivers, and more, these origins still shine through in the company's logo. Today, Klein Tools is one of the only brands that can proudly and accurately refer to its tools as being made in the USA. That's because many of their tools are made at company-owned plants in Texas and Kansas. The company has also made long-term investments in US-based manufacturing, including expanding some of its plants in the last 10 years. Given their origins in making lineman tools, it's no surprise that Klein today makes some of the best insulated tools on the market. Their telecom specialty tools are also second to none. Many craftsmen today rely exclusively on this brand's strippers, cutters, and clippers as well, thanks to their durability. At number 5. Milwaukee Electric Tools MLW 4822-9415 Combination Wrench Set SAE. When it comes to tools, Milwaukee is best known for its electric power tools. That being said, the brand still offers a broad assortment of hand tools that are just as reliable as their primary power tool lines. These include an assortment of folding knives optimized for craftsmen and construction contractors. The brand also sells an assortment of socket wrench sets and tape measures that can meet most users' needs. As a company and as a brand, Milwaukee dates back to 1918. In that year, A.H. Peterson accepted a commission from Henry Ford to improve upon existing electric drills used in his factories. Peterson was successful and launched his brand on the back of this success. Over time, the brand became well known among craftsmen for their tendency to innovate new electric power tools year after year. At number 6. Magnetic screwdriver set 14 PCS includes slotted Phillips Torx precision screwdriver, Cremax professional cushion grip and non-slip for repair home improvement craft. As a tool brand, Cremax is not widely known at all. However, they earn a spot as the top screwdriver brand because they offer a very affordable set of magnetic screwdrivers. Professionals and dealers alike agree that magnetic is the way to go if you want to take the hassle out of driving screws. As such, their 10-piece magnetic screwdriver sets make this kind of productive luxury accessible to the masses. However, Cremax screwdrivers appear to only be available online through popular e-retailers. This has the benefit of keeping their products accessible, while making it more challenging to find them when stock runs low. Also, this brand's warranties and guarantees are not known for being reliable. So, a prospective buyer may need to count on recommendations from other craftsmen to see a purchase of these screwdrivers through. At number 7. Channellock SD7CB, Code Blue Screwdrivers 7-piece set S144CB, S146CB, S364CB, S388CB, P104CB, P204CB, P306CB, 3-pack. Channellock's hand tools carry a noteworthy history that began with a line of hand-forged farrier's tools made by founder George B. Dearman. Over time, Dearman's commitment to making a superior product empowered his company to innovate and create the multi-position tongue and groove pliers, known as the Channellock pliers. Needless to say, these pliers are still very popular today, enough so that almost every major tool brand has created their own variant. Channellock also makes several other lines of useful hand tools, including an assortment of specialty and Torx screwdrivers. All these tools are made in the US at the company's factory in Meadville, PA.